Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anita, and if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe. And in this video, I will be sharing what I got for Christmas. My side of the family, my parents, they got us some cash and then this box of Forever shares that's already half eaten by, yes, my hubby. We do like a secret Santa on my side of the family, and this year each couple got each couple, which was really funny. And we give like a list of 3 things. So this year I said that I wanted a sushi maker, so we got that, and then a ring light, which I'm really excited to use, so stay tuned for more videos with this. My husband's brother and his wife, they got me this really cool cookbook, and it's just basically all cookies, cookie recipes, so I'm really excited to try this. Husband's gifts, this year he got me this really pretty wrap bracelet. It like clenches at the back of it. It's this really pretty rose gold color, and I just love it. I love how simple it is, and I think it's going to go with everything. He got me a set of 3 rings, and these are super cute too because you can wear them individually or you can wear them together. New perfume. I needed a new perfume. I'm running low on my old one, so he got me the Daisy by Marc, and it's a really nice, like florally sweet scent. So if you're looking for a new perfume, this one is definitely a really good choice. This jacket, I've been wanting it for the longest time. It's just the prettiest color, and I feel like it's going to be perfect for spring and even into the fall. It is a little bit of a lighter jacket, so I won't be wearing it too much around the winter time, but I just love it. I mean, it has a tie, and you can tie it in the front, so I think it's really, really pretty. Next, he got me this really cute leather quilted jacket and skirt set. So here's what the skirt looks like, and it has the zipper, and the jacket also comes with it, and it has like gold detailing, and it's super thick, so it's really, really warm, so I can't wait to wear this. He also got me this leather jumpsuit, which also ties here, and it actually is very flattering on, so I will actually do a try on haul for you guys in my next video. Super cute, very different, but love it. Then my husband's parents got us cash, so yeah, that was everything that I got this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.